Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix a restricted account in the World app. Alright, let's begin. First, open the World app on your phone and make sure you are logged in. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner, then tap on Settings. Now, select Support, and then select the Customer Support icon at top right corner to start a support chat. You will first be connected to a bot that asks a few questions. Answer each one clearly and mention that your account is restricted and you cannot send money. Once the bot offers to transfer you to a real person, choose that option. Now you'll be chatting with a support agent. Politely explain, "Hi, my account was restricted and I think it's a mistake. Can you please review and fix it?" Provide any details or screenshots they ask for. In most cases, they'll resolve it quickly. If not, you can start a new chat or contact support again. So that's basically how you can fix a restricted account in the World app. That's it for this video. Thanks.